single mother. Yes, so people, invite and share the video. Yes, so good evening, guys. Share the video. Sorry, guys. Invite and share this video. Invite and share. It's my networking. I tell my own man no soon. The phone when I lag. I don't dey speak Kenya. How we do you? Sorry guys. I do you. Bye you. Single. Single mother. Not so. I'll go buy speaker. For that I when I manager. Good evening, guys. Hey. Imogerio ya. Imogerio ya. Imogerio ya. Hey, she don't go. I think you know that. My dear, go and be ready on. I contract, I competition. Why go? Go, my hey. I'll put this camera down. What I can be? Hey, music don't. Hey, nothing they happen, nothing they share. Everywhere, boss cast everywhere. Yes, so it got me why give competition. That's why I'm going to make boko. Yes, sir. Music don't end everywhere, boss cast everywhere. That's why I don't show again. Una lady, una girl. Yes, so now me, Lady B, oh, it's perfect. We are all learning, try to walk into perfection, you know. No one is perfect. Share the video. Like this video. Only small shake. I don't usually. Now so, just a quick one again. I know they be now. I know I'm at a drop video way too long. Short one, quick one, guys. This my camera, but I say to go up. For camera come down. The man you to her now. Girl, I can't erase my manager, but my manager like this everywhere good. Yes, so love the music. Guys, good evening. God bless you. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope I don't enjoy. For me, I just do everywhere good. Everywhere good. At least at the top can I mean the time I say, oh sleep, you wake up. You need to thank God. You know the guy they be. Get why? Because some people don't even make count to see today. We will see today. We're supposed to thank God, they give glory to God. So, I bet if you never thank God today, I dey remind you today na Sunday. If short, be only Sunday every day. Try to thank God. You get why? Because not be say you too fine, you too perfect, you too get the money, or you too be odonga, or you too dey see money, or now you dey rain, or now you buckish pass na lie. Now God blessing. If you want just to take you now, nothing dey happen. Go away day. Nothing dey happen no level. Just make back. So we pray, may God let them be our portion. We will not be me like that. May we enjoy our suffering, our children. Enjoy our fruits of our labor. And how they be now, so way they be. Please invite people, share the video and like this video. Comment as well. God bless you. And don't forget to always follow this page, Betty Isibo page. And those of you that have been following, God bless you. See never dry. You'll see your money will never dry. Those of you that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel also, please, what are you waiting for? Hey, always go. It goes set. It don't say, it don't rent. Yes, so guys, I'm just joking. I know like they be now. We must make fun now. If one not join, you know, too much of reading and be I just speak that English. Too much of book and no playing. Make Jack a dull boy. So we must joke. So who never subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Lady B channel, who never subscribe, always oh, hey, always set, Jamie, oh, Koyanje, who never subscribe, when I go subscribe, oh, Lady B, who is perfect. Now you there, they hear the med, now they hear the everything, out of all the nonsense, now go pick point for inside the sense, now so way they be, out of all message. Una go pick out of all mess. Sorry guys, una go pick message inside. That's all way they be. So today, guys, yes, so me I'm a fast talker, a fast learner also. I know the software they talk and small. I go talk and big come on for there. Let me cannot they take for video because I know if they do video now, I can't do oh 3 hours. I don't feel talking before. I know fit because children day and I know they get that patience so they talk and small. Me, now person we just tag then you come out there and so it be everywhere bust, cast everywhere, so and so. Yes, so my people, may I take this thing, I take clean my face, sweat, they will hit this small. One of this, so I agree. Yes, so I don't come, I don't show. Yes, so guys. Now so guys, yes, so now maybe this I don't show. I don't come with my food packet. I tell them, I say sometimes I'll see they show myself. Now just because of no time, but Sundays I will try to make an hobby. Now, every Sunday at least I'll see they show myself. Other days it go hard to I agree. But Sunday I will try. But the Sunday I don't still try. When I see manager like that, and so it be get why because why easy because of I don't want to talk about I know why already. You know, I know now housework, children, this one, that one. Things too many now, so it be. But sometimes I'm still they show myself because me I like me they show myself. Oh, you they talk, they relate. If I tell I'll carry chair, sit chair. I'll carry chair, I'll sit down. They talk and 5 hours. But I get a lot to do. Children, there was no nothing. Distract. Say, mommy, where are you? Where have you been? You know all those kind of things. So now they be now. So everywhere good. So right now, my people, share the video and like this video. It's just a very short one. And actually, my topic is based on some people because I just still get some call. Wait, I want to play music for the background, but the music, you understand? Based on some people for Nigeria, especially Nigeria, Africa, I don't understand. All part of it, boy, your name, I mean, I know who are the young and so. Why me? What body? Why? Hi, Salubwa. What governor? This music, man, baby. I'm coming, baby. Okay, baby boy. My small little stick come. Okay. You understand? So what am I trying to say, guys? Sorry, guys. I have to just get the music back the farm. Allow. We are one for the more Bobby. Man, there. This way. You understand? so. I bet not forget to share this video. Like, and share. Share, get nation. Share. As you share, God will bless you. As you share, you will become see never dry. See never dry. And so money go the enter my purse. When I not resume my head tie on, so it just be open. So I have some kind of star miss could be missed you everywhere good. Not as I find as I miss one so hey oh boy. You don't know say native, my native why I get that not on the show and I get why. Me I want to say this one they show off. Me joy, any native I make a joy you. Egbe wa wo me any church I make joke so every time. Then on the Facebook me I wa joy me I wa gba lokan, igba ligele wey dey not be here. Now this one self even easy pass igele wey dey you do not be small thing. Whether on another day topic will they talk down on topic many days on Sunday Sarah. So then I want also show to my fans, to my lovers, to those that have subscribed to me. God bless you, kiss you all. When I enjoy today with my husband, now we girls now. Now we not girls, but when I see you enjoy yourself, you know the guy they be there are different things to say enjoy yourself, even if you not see get man, but God go see do one day. That is my encouragement to you guys. Not when God not go do. God will do. Osasu, it must still do Cynthia home, it must still do Osagbemoro. Can't you see that name? Osagbemoro, Osa must be my yard way when Jesus. That's the way they be. So guys, let's go there right now, sharply. As it is sharp, as it is, sharply. I don't tell me about sharply. You understand, my people? So I just want to quickly drop this. It's a very short one, guys. After all, my charger was soon weak, and my phone was soon weak. I'm not charging since I got get busy. I also want just to come today, come see show now myself. I do black video most times, but because of kids, a lot of work for house, then school, I did go school also. No days like that to just show myself, but very soon by the grace of God, I feel they show every day. Small, gradually, I know now. I finish my school. School need me. I'm graduating and one book where I will be job. Hey, but my me. After me a phone, they will be very away. Me say yes school. Hey, in short, me a way me a yes school. I will not buy. They also take the last one just now where they has. They'll take her now before this end of the year. If they don't take her now, at least on January, you may hear win maybe a year school buy. Me why away. So right now my school I go. So after my school now, I feel they show every day because school stress and Saturday and Sunday not see days like that. Work and children, but it is where Osagbu my yard where they need Jesus. Hey man, I look my door, my children want enter. They want show, they want constantly mommy they do everywhere good. So right now, guys, I'm not how they take for video. I'm not with just get sharp. All those people within Nigeria, all those young Nissan, no one use English to talk. Ha, I wawae, wagwene ya waye, awawae. Oba tebe tie boy no ba no ma wa gbo gidi ga won obe tie boy no wo wa hewe wo mo hewe wo wa ye mu biele kahia na so dey carry biele ka so dey carry dem agwa wa which kind money na dey find for life no let person rest. Sorry, my music I say too much. My low I agree. Yes, so you understand because na short one. You understand me? All those people have your missile so in Nigeria. On the rare way no travel in Nigeria, they carry they go double on different places. How why? Who send all those messages? Must you make the money with trolley or with your missile? Cannot be every person they suppose they pull months. I'll carry channel me I sit down for your spend 3 hours for this matter. But because of some kind thing I'm not fit. You get why? I don't fit, busy, children, I don't want. They can't distract the video. Me don't want them like that. I go bogbe. All bad does it cost, but which kind of money are they find? There's different way to see money. You can work. Who not get people say you borrow people they work. Who not borrow people you do hair. If you be woman, you will do cloth. You sew cloth. Very soon they show us assisted they do my hair. Some of my weave on too. I dey fix outside for salon, but right now I can't verse. I can't learn them by force. Fire by force. You know to learn them by myself. As I be fix hair. Now if you fix hair, I go put for my hair. Then they see my look all of them day. You understand me? So I'm not going to do one kind of thing. They show. Make I show one. See them. They're many. They're many. All of them day. Now me fix this one. This one too. Now me see fix some. I mean do this one. I mean still fix this one. I mean do this one. I mean still do the many. I'm not come there. I'm not gonna just carry camera come on for a day because of some kind reason. See this one too. I never even fix and finish. I mean they do one. I forget the type already. The many. Why don't you go there? Get why? You understand me? Yes, so it's interesting. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. I cite you. I beg me to share this video, like the video, and share. You understand? We won't day. Good evening, Joe. We won't day where they feast. I will see use that, but that not be the main important thing. Based on say very soon I'll sit down. I'll consider they do now this year. That why you squeeze sharp drop this video. Don't want drop it say how far market now will be your Nissan. All this your Nissan. I don't want me I use the real English name. You get why? Your Nissan and all those what they call them. If I vex now, I will use the name. What did they do now? But don't cost, but more arrest. Many women can show now with one. Let me say I want show off. Then day if I carry camera, see more see where we won't day. Now hey, we won't day. Me make it low. When I look at me, they always they carry from they follow me for my Facebook or whatever. I be your Nissan now day. Me I for even carry bottle and or a kuse. Maybe for a year, women for receive sense because they don't want to receive sense. Why? Percy call me for Nigeria. He say one small girl. I see even see one of my brother. They do one video just now. 16 years old they find they go. Percy first he call me one of my friend where they close to the family. He still call me say see Percy where they find no small girl 16 years. I don't first see the picture where they get where my friends where they show me. They thing shock me. I say wait so me not understand this girl so this small pikin of 16 years. He follow boyfriend go stay for house. I be waiting. He say no say but according to the story. But I say Percy carry and travel. The pikin first tell my mama say no, say too small. Tell papa say no, say too small. Now the pikin you run follow trolley. But trolley una hold too much. Which kind of money that pikin want can give una now? Una want to made now. Who do now this kind of thing now? Juju do now. 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 50 years ago, the thing they rain. Now people they do. Me I don't do one. Now people they do. Many of them take maids, take get estate, get everyone it. On my yourself, but don't cost, put money rest. Small pikin will be say, my man want me go Europe. Una can okay that pikin if you can't run now. Una do Lebanon, I can't run now. No can give una money now. Now go the more bugbe. Una want arrest him. Mama and papa will not agree. I don't understand. No one say they use sense. One they use like IQ, like HQ, or BIQ. All of them join. One they use that. Me and the person they fast they talk. I know they feel they slow they talk because get why. The first way job they need by things sharp. While they come on for them. Sharp woman, sharp lady. You understand me? Like me, I know they tell. I know they spend 5 hours for video. I wish I did do my things small for they spend 5 hours. When we say they know they try those people that they try kudos to them. To me, not fit because I get a lot of things to do. All those people, why don't they behave like that? Very interesting. Yes, thank you, Mo. Thank you, bros. I greet you. You understand? Why don't they behave like that? How do you why? Small pikin when no one come Europe, if tell mama, tell papa say no. Una only 16 years old, pikin will be 16 years old, she too small. Even if saves now 20 years, save now 30 years, as a man, if papa no green, you not put say yes, mark say mona carry a pikin. Not supposed to leave that pikin because that pikin tomorrow if he run now. Now say hey, ogun ba o ishango go kill am go do this one. Una wan come go cost, una wan carry go ayela like mama and papa will no assets. My beggar Bonnie can agbe a body return back to sender. Yes, now. And they watch for my brother show just and way they talk, they show the picture. Mid of a year since yesterday evening, let me hear where one of my family friends, she tell me that my friend, but she just dey close to the family. She come they tell me, say, see what it do. In your tire, the thing just they disturb everybody or the family for there. Those kind of say, Now wow, for my mind, me come and say, me know your belief say, for my mind, do me know your belief say. And they take and go Europe or travel, go Dubai or those kind of things. For my mind, I don't believe, say, now boyfriend she follow. She's small, but maybe they don't do this guara. She don't, this virgin. She don't go stay with boy with your campaign for. I say, no worry. I go there, go. I go they do you the go. Wish you go enjoy and just stay. No worry. If anything wait, if I go buy for you, you go your campaign for us for some time. They say they see 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, she will come back again. Maybe she will even come back with pregnancy, self, or those kind of things. We say because if they come your house, they toast you, they friend you, or they do you, your man no go agree, your papa no go agree. The best is you come stay with me for 2 weeks or 1 month. So that made the thing enter, made them know say I love you. If you don't enter, I can't put money for your head. Even if they beat me or they arrest me, consign me. After I'm picking already. Me can tell my friend like that, say, for me, I just believe saying that's what it happen. Say, you follow boyfriend, all those kind of things, and that's how they grow the corner. Although me not go stay for one boyfriend house, so if I just go meet my boyfriend, I'll see don't come back. Don't come house. When I'll see the shadow blast me, enough blasting. I know if you talk, how many times they cut this my hair, I bolo, oh I shine. Oh Bob, when you go see my hair, you feel they see your body from my head, my skull, where I make the way in a mirror. Where I go gear with razor blade, confirm one, with confirm soda. You go they shine. I say, where you go, we know so you don't see go block your boy. This one they talk of I don't already reach 20 years old. I'll be 21. I'll be way now 16, 15, 16, 13 seconds we carry belly. So me calling my friend say, I don't believe. What me believe? I believe say your fellow boyfriend. Because if you're in an email and so they take day. He say maybe not true, maybe not between you know, you know. So me call they watch one video today. So call they watch the video. This our brother call they talk. Even the mama can see couples. Call they talk say no. Say it happen. It be they talk say want travel all those kind of things. He say no go green. So naturally he follow. They go Dubai something like that. And I can say small picking 16 years has him no green. Why you be the trolley you Congo they carry and by fire by force? If you call it Dubai or Morocco or Libya or Senegal. You not compare for you, call you say, hey, or good they keep papa, or come back, go kill your family, oh, now I go arrest them, now I go do this. Oh, you want to arrest for inside? That is one question. They arrest or arrest, then make una cause the return back to now. Picking no green saying they come Europe now, carry them by force, all the name of saying I want get the money. I mean, I don't want it, which money? The person I just see here say he died today for this city where I did. I don't want to make they show the picture, maybe they not say this woman, that's also person who died there for the show. I say, I consider, oh God, sorry for the loss, rest in peace. I say, sleep, you don't wake up. Eh? All those people, all those young trolley people, if na come, something come and put on another, can't sleep and not wake up now, say that the guests be the bad guests. Me, I not decide anybody, I not side the care, I not side the trolley. For me, if you take, for me or everybody else, they different. Una make agreements with anybody. Everybody, they different. And so me too. I need to fulfill my agreement. So I don't feel the encourage one person may not fulfill your agreement. But my problem here is this. If the picky say no, say mama no agree, papa no agree, why you go force the picky come Europe or come Dubai? As this our brother they talk this thing just and they wash and be one couple I just lock up and come they do something. But I don't already hear us since yesterday. In the evening, where person tell me that I won't even sleep after 11. Me and my friend, you come they talk, they chat. And my girlfriend, she come they talk. She now very close to the family of this person where they find a picking so.
You my cassette, you. Anything you sell is a market, you.
I beg, I'm using this my phone. Don't call me. I beg. When I do way. Oh God, I don't like this thing. Please. Yeah, what if you don't want to call? When I see this phone, call this one. The number is there. I will rewrite again. One not verse. Next time, write my number. When they call that one. If I do video, man, not call me. One not verse. I beg. I don't feel I want a pic video from a live video. What enough video? I be doing me. Almost to call. Once spoil this my video for me. It's in work by me, so I know you they call you back. You understand? See, you don't want to see the same message from Nigeria say you want talk. No worry. Sometimes they want talk. I'm saying I don't like him, but if they want you still say person go call him, I'll just let you know. So they know, please, why agree? You get why I'm not verse, won't be rudeness. I don't get that time. I won't do my video sharp now I come up for day. Yes, because when I call the talk today, I need to carry child, sit down. Would they talk? Don't worry, that my friend will want couple. So I understand what they try to talk. You know, good. All those Ijonisa, all those whether they call them manyachu, trolley people. If person, mama and papa say no once, don't carry the person. Why you go force picking, carry and call? You don't go to stop my video. I don't blame you now. You understand? Why not? Sorry, guys. You understand me? Don't force somebody when no one come Europe or to Dubai or to wherever. Don't force and carry and come up for your mama hand, the papa hand because of say your selfish interest. Because of say you want to get the money by force. Since 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, 90 big did not date. Oh, you should not disturb my video now, please. Hi God, why? If person they shout the cost, that they'll say to the cost. I don't want cost. I be Christian. Don't call this number. Thank you. Oh, salo bois. E phone me die now, na phone. Hey, phone na wa call on now. Be wa wo me. You understand, my people? So sorry, guys. I won't even call the video now because the thing don't see distract me. I don't like distraction. Once they get distracted like that, the thing where they talk, I feel forget some kind of thing. Not be only forget, I'll get distracted. I can't even tire. Or you can't tire me. So to cut the whole story short, I want to advise that people, those people that many open up your back course. Una still they carry small get the entire Europe to buy name Bogoti, Morocco, Senegal. Di go nwa igwalona. Ari wawae. They no buy me the wagbon 30 years, 50 years ago that they do all this trolley, manyan show that they do one. No don't get the money to build estate for flat, Bogoti, even hotel. Our market, they never see this one now. Some of them even sell those properties, say even but not even take heal on sickness. Not even cure on herself. You know, see cure. Take cure on her children, cure on her family, never see cure. What you want to see for life? When you get better, ne backbone man who wani boom, a backbone man who wani boom. Me, I just tired for now. I don't understand you now. Now they fear person you. Eh? What you want to see for her life? I bet I stop that kind of thing because God not go forgive you. I not make heaven for what they do so. I not go make heaven. We need Jesus Christ. Not be lie. We not go make heaven at all. That's how we go be. We need Jesus. All those guys they not pay on a problem. That's so they do. That's what they not do. That's why they want to craze for their body. Eh? Some should they craze. Why some the prayer wanna pray for them or the juju wanna do not go work because what you wanna do not good. I bet wanna look here. Wanna take time. All those people they do that kind of thing. Because some bad don't place cause put. Eh? Many things there to take money. If you work, if you do borrow paper they work. If you do a lot of things they work, take money small. You know me say you must see 1 billion, 1 million or 1,000 euro today. No small. Rome was not built in a day. You will see a small. You will get her. How come they do all those kind of things? How come they carry small children where they know where mama and papa no assets? How come they do away on bad or even place cost put say me they know they come out to the gate, they leave their parents, they go Europe or Dubai or wherever they do Okpo miliki. Hi, boy. I'll come back for this video again next time because the way I want to talk, I get many words to use. But as I take stand, so I not fit the talk and don't tire for stand. I need to sit down, but still, best way they call me, I need to attend to the person because you want to buy something from my hand. I understand. So that one and that one. Before then, let me just quickly just show you some clothes, some native where they don't so come where I want to say, only down, you go 50 buy. Sorry guys, so I'll show them small with a 5 or whatever. Not be everything I'll show now because no time again to check time. Understand? Sorry guys. Just a moment. They don't sew them. They don't sew them. Guys, close day. This one I put for my head, so it's still there. They don't sew them. So no to say close day, but well, I'm not vest. I'm not official now everything. There are many. The jackpot I speak English. There are too many. Suppose they put my video for the place, but I'm not fit. Understand? See my phone. It won't even weak. Sorry, guys. So see one. This one why I take time here. So you understand? Now sharp. I want you to do. See one a native. They don't sew and I find gun. It makes sense that. And for sale, this one at least. This one at least. And for sale. It makes sense that. Like this thing one off my charger. No, I don't charge my phone. See this one too. Skirt and blast. It makes sense so. See this gun. This gun. It makes sense. So I will put my number there. Now go inbox me one buy. And they say close native they don't sew. They never sew so sharp. Like that lace now, they never sew. This one blast, they don't sew. That the other clothes, so they never sew. So many days they never sew. Why some days they don't sew? So next time I go focus on them. Yeah, show now well. One buy. So now I want to do my video. I don't feel they show everything because sorry, guys, I'm not show everything. I know feel on the my phone went off. Why go? My phone wants to off right now. So now blast. There are many. So They done so many. Oh, this one fine. Next time I go even the tester. Hey, this one for you see fits my dressing. I know someone is calling me. Yeah.
Mommy, that one is up.
Okay, I'm coming. Tell her I'm coming, okay? 1 minute. Sorry guys, I told you someone is on my door. My daughter just said somebody came. You see? So guys, I have to end this video right now. Someone is on my door. A lady is on my door to just check something. A lady friend, a Nigeria friend to check something and just go see another one. Because me know they still lost it. I know they get friends too, but though now my neighbor, she did upstairs, she want just ask me something. Thank you guys, because I cannot just go come back. Let me try to do it. 1 second guys. Yes, so sorry guys. A neighbor just came to drop something. God bless you all. Bye bye. I will try to show the clothes again. There's more clothes. Many people will screenshots. But today, I'm not going to show everything like we, because I need to do a lot of things right now. You understand me, my people? See another one. This one they never swam on. It made me to. So I will land this so the one they never saw. So they don't swam. So I just get the Thank you guys. God bless you all. Sorry for the going and coming. Bye bye. Kisses. Please share the video and like this video. Don't forget to share. Like this video and God bless you. And don't forget to follow me on my page, Betty Isibo page, and my YouTube channel also. Lady B, who is perfect. Who is perfect, guys? No one. We are all trying to learn and go and try to be perfect. I mean, to learn how to be perfect. You understand? That is all what we are all trying. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Choose.